It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 6. What is the value of limit as x approaches -1 from left-hand side? We have x squared over f of x. So let's say x approaches -1 from left-hand side. Then what about x squared? X squared approaches -1 squared, that's +1, right? But is it from right-hand side or left-hand side? Let's think about this. X is the value less than -1, right? So it could be -1.01. If we square that, negative times negative, that's a positive. And this value right here is, without negative, this value right here is greater than 1, right? Little greater than 1. So if we square this, that's going to be little greater than 1, right? So x squared actually approaches 1 from right-hand side, because this value right here is going to be little greater than 1. 1.01 squared, that's going to be actually 1.02, right? It's approximately 1.02. So we know that x squared approaches 1 from right-hand side. Make sense? Okay, what about function f of x? Function f of x approaches to, as x approaches -1 from left-hand side, look at this graph. The function actually approaches to 0. It approaches to 0 from positive value, right? Look at this value right here. They're positive. Function value is y value, right? So it approaches 0 from positive values. So it approaches 0 from positive values from right-hand side, right? So this one approaches 1, right? And this one approaches 0. Then what about all of this? All of this value right here. That's going to be equal to, it'll approach to 1 over, think about this, the denominator is approaching 0. Let's say 0.001. That's actually what? 1 over 1,000. If you simplify this, that's going to be 1,000, right? If f of x is 0.0001, then we have 1 over 10,000. So that's going to be not 1,000, 10,000, right? So this value increases infinitely, right? So the answer has to be D.